Hello friends, question number 42 is asking in CSIR NET examinations 2017, and the question said, when D a unit disk given with the ordered pair all the points of 2 dimensions which satisfies the given unit disk x square plus y square is less than is equal to 1, those points which lie inside a unit circular disk, and D dash suppose its complement in that plane, then if a partial differential equations is given x square minus 1 2y d2y dx dy minus d2y dx square is equal to 0, if this is the partial differential equation, then which of the four is correct? Number first is parabolic. For all xy is the member of complement, the region of the complement. Hyperbolic. For all xy is the member of unit disk. Hyperbolic. For all xy belongs to D complement, or parabolic. For all xy is the member of D. So this is the four options, and one we have to correct. Now, if we have a partial differential equations like that, A partial with respect to x, B d2y upon dx dy plus C d2y upon dx square is equal to 0, like that, then we have three possibilities. Number first, parabolic, whenever b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Number two condition, elliptical, whenever b square minus 4ac is less than 0. And hyperbolic, when b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. These three conditions we have to apply here. Now, if we compare A according to the question is x square minus 1, what is B is 2y, and what is C? C is minus 1. So find b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac. So is converted to 4y square x square minus 1, finally 4x square y square minus 1. This is the condition that b square minus 4ac after solving that. Now look at the three conditions and according to the options. This is the D, the interior portion, and this is the boundary of the unit circle, and this is the outside of D. So this is the complement or D dash. Case first, now suppose b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So this will be 0, this will be 1. Now this is the condition, x square plus y square is equal to 1. That is, the partial differential equation represent parabolic only when the points lie on the boundary of this unit circle. Boundary of this circle. The points which is lie on this boundary, that these points, these points, these points. So those points which lie only on the boundary of the unit circle, then the partial differential equation represent it is a parabolic. Now case 2, when b square minus 4ac is less than 0, what we get? X square plus 1 less than 1. So partial differential equation will be elliptical, that is interior region of the unit circle. The points which is lie is interior of that region, then the partial differential equation will be elliptical. So second choice. And now question case third, if greater than 0, that is those points which is greater than 1. Finally we get the partial differential equation will represent hyperbolic whenever the points will outside of the boundary of the unit disk, because x square plus y square, those ordered pair which is greater than 1. So greater than 1, that means this is unit circle. So outside of the circle, that is the points belongs to outside of the unit disk, will be hyperbolic in nature. So option C here, option C hyperbolic, because we have four choice, parabolic, complement not, because parabola is only on the boundary. Hyperbolic we have choose option number C, that is hyperbolic for all xy is the member of d complement. So this is the right choice for the given questions, and you have to find like that.